On the last season of the Best Team Football League, or BTFL, we got together every franchise's best team to see which best team was the greatest individual team in NFL history. After 256 games using the 2017 NFL season schedule and 10 playoff games, the smoke had cleared. The greatest AFC team was the 1978 Pittsburgh Steelers with their steel curtain defense, and on the NFC side we had the 2015 Panthers with their MVP quarterback, the high-flying and dabbing Cam Newton. At the end of the BTFL Tecmo Super Bowl, the greatest team wasn't in question. It was the 1978 Steelers that consistently was the best team in Season 1, and it wasn't even close, as the 2015 Panthers only mustered one field goal all game. That was 2 years ago. This year we have decided to make 28 new football teams from different cities in the United States. To stock the teams, we did a fantasy draft with players based on a tier system, with all the best players from the 1991 to 1994 NFL seasons. The conferences are split into the Warthog Conference and the Bobcat Conference, to commemorate the two conferences in the original Tecmo game. The divisions are split into the Gibbs Division, or the Warthog Atlantic Division, the Parcells Division, or the Warthog Central Division, the Ditka Division, or the Warthog Mountain Division, the Shula Division, or the Bobcat South Atlantic Division, the Reeves Division, or the Bobcat Southwestern Division, and finally, the Levy Division, or the Bobcat Northwestern Division. All of this created in a Tecmo Super Bowl ROM hack by COA Elway. Finally, as well as fantasy drafting all of these players, we have decided to take the 28 best coaches from the 91 to 94 seasons and randomly assign them to 28 teams, some of which will have experience coaching these players, some of which won't. And now, let us introduce the 28 new teams here in the BTFL Season 2. Excuse me. Please play the NFL primetime music. And now we go to the 28 new teams and the coaches for those teams. Barry Switzer will be coaching the Boston Eagles. He has Ernest Biner at running back, Robert Brooks at wide receiver, Steve Jordan at tight end, the Hall of Famer Bruce Smith, he's got Clyde Simmons, the late great Junior Seau, and Ronnie Lott, the Hall of Famer. Bill Belichick is the coach of the New York Empire. He's got Flipper Anderson at wide receiver, Johnny Mitchell at tight end, Bruce Matthews and Jacob Green at the offensive line, Joe Kane at linebacker, Dale Carter at cornerback, and former safety and current defensive coordinator of the Super Bowl champion Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Todd Bowles. Denny Green is the head coach of the Philadelphia Spirit. He's got Hall of Fame quarterback Joe Montana, Mark Carrier at wide receiver, William Roberts at offensive line, Chris Mims at the defensive tackle position, as well as the late great Jerome Brown. Bill Romanowski is the dirtiest player who's ever played football at linebacker, and John Carney at kicker. George Seifert, he is the head coach of the Baltimore Bulls, with Eric Metcalf at running back, Irving Fryer and Mark Ingram at wide receiver, as well as the slot receiver Jake Reed, Cortez Kennedy and Dan Hampton at defensive end, Ron Rivera, the new coach of the Washington football team, at linebacker, and Jason Hanson at kicker. Mike Holmgren will be the head coach of the Washington Generals, as he's got Drew Bledsoe at quarterback, Mark Duper and Curtis Conway at wide receiver, Brett Jones, who used to play for the 49ers for a few Super Bowls, at tight end, Mike Munchak at offensive line, John Randall, who played a lot of great years with the Minnesota Vikings at defensive end, and Sean Gale, the safety. Art Shell is the head coach of the Buffalo Stampede. He's got his guy, Bo Nose Jackson, at running back, Al Toon at wide receiver, Bart Oates at center, Mark Wheeler and Burt Grossman at defensive tackle, Mike Crowell at linebacker, Pepper Johnson at linebacker as well, Rod Woodson at cornerback, and Brett Maxey at safety. Wade Phillips is the head coach of the Milwaukee Warriors. He's got Hall of Fame quarterback Dan Marino, Reggie Brooks at running back, Mark Clayton at wide receiver, Kevin Gogan at offensive line, Guy McIntyre at guard, Kevin Fagan at defensive end, Then we have Hardy Nickerson and Clay Matthews at linebacker. Then rounded out with this crew of the better players on the Milwaukee Warriors, we have Carnell Lake at safety. Don Shula, he's the head coach of the Chicago Chiefs with the human highlight reel, the human joystick. Barry Sanders at running back. John Taylor and Tim McGee at wide receiver. Steve Wallace at offensive line, Ray Agnew on the defensive line, Matt Millen, who was the failed general manager of the Detroit Lions at linebacker, and Mark Carrier at safety. Chuck Knox, he's the head coach of the Detroit Mustangs, with Otis Anderson, Super Bowl MVP with the Giants at running back, Anthony Carter and touchdown Eddie Brown at wide receiver, Kevin Glover at offensive line, Frank Winters at center, William Fuller at defensive end, Dana Stubblefield at defensive tackle, really good defensive coordinator Jack Del Rio at linebacker, and Kirby Jackson at cornerback. Jack Pardee will be the head coach of the Pittsburgh Renegades with Hall of Fame quarterback John Elway. Brian Mitchell, really great kick returner and punt returner. The old reliable Don Beebe. Jay Novacek, who played a long time with the Dallas Cowboys. Charles Mann at defensive end. Mo Lewis and Everson Walls at linebacker. And great kicker Jason Elam with the Denver Broncos for a long time. Jeff Fisher, he'll be the head coach of the Cleveland Cardinals. The great Hall of Famer and Super Bowl MVP Marcus Allen will play running back. He'll have Robert Clark and Reggie Foghorn Langhorn at wide receiver, Herb Smith at tight end, Stan Brock and Keith Sims at offensive line, Dino Hackett and Carlton Bailey at linebacker, and Terry McDaniel at cornerback. Marty Schottenheimer will be the head coach of the Cincinnati Rampage. He'll rip it deep with Mark Rippon at quarterback, Ricky Running Waters at running back, Willie Galt at receiver, Mark Bortz at offensive line, Lee Williams at defensive end, Brian Cox and Toy Cook at cornerback, and Roger Ruzek at kicker. Chuck Noll will be the head coach of the Louisville Lightning. He's got Steve Young, the Hall of Famer, at quarterback, Neil Anderson at running back, Natrone Means as well at running back, Gary Clark at wide receiver, Ed West at tight end, Dermontti Dawson at offensive line, Chris Spielman at linebacker, Eric Allen and Kevin Smith to shore up the defensive backfield. Dan Reeves will be the head coach of the Indianapolis Indians. He has Hall of Fame quarterback Brett Favre, Hall of Fame wide receiver Jerry Rice, Mark Bavaro at tight end, Will Shields at offensive line, Russ Grimm at offensive line, Jeff Cross at defensive end, Kevin Green at linebacker, and Merton Hanks at cornerback, and Darren Perry at safety. Rich Kotite will be the head coach of the New Orleans Tigers. Emmett Smith, the Hall of Famer, will be the running back. Anthony Miller will be the wide receiver. Randall McDaniel at offensive line. William the Refrigerator Perry at defensive line. Roman Pfeiffer at linebacker. Benny the guy with knives on his hands, Benny Blades. Marcus Robertson at cornerback as well, and Al Del Greco at kicker. Marv Levy will be the head coach of the Birmingham Rebels with his quarterback Jim Kelly and his running back Thurman Thomas, as well as his wide receiver Andre Reed. He's got Ozzie Newsome at tight end, Gary Zimmerman and Howard Ballard at offensive line, Russell Maryland at defensive line, Bill Moss at defensive tackle, and Nate Odoms at cornerback, who also played under Marv Levy with the Buffalo Bills. Wayne Fontes will be the head coach of the Charlotte Wildcats with Warren Moon at quarterback, Andre Bad Moon Rison at wide receiver, Mike Webster at center, Mark Stepnoski at offensive line, Rob Burnett at defensive line, as well as Leslie O'Neal, Duron Cherry at cornerback, as well as Darian Gordon at cornerback. Jim Mora, the head coach of the Atlanta Fire. Boomer Esiason is his quarterback. James Brooks is his running back, and Frank Wycheck will be his tight end. Lewis Sharp will be his offensive lineman. Lincoln Kennedy will follow him in the O-line as well. Wayne Martin at defensive end with Eric Swan at defensive end. David Fulcher at safety, as well as Steve Atwater right next to him. Jerry Glanville will be the head coach of the Miami Riptide. He'll have the Bus, Jerome Bettis at running back, Fred Barnett and Sterling Sharp at wide receiver, Mike Ken and Max Montoya at offensive line, Richard Dent at defensive end, Sam Clancy and Pierce Holt at defensive line, Chuck Cecil at safety, and Sean Landetta will be their punter. June Jones is the head coach of the LA Stars. He's got Phil Simms, Keith Byers at offensive weapon, with Michael Irvin and Tony Martin at wide receiver. Mike Golick will be his defensive lineman. Ken Norton will be his linebacker. Neon Deion Sanders will be his cornerback. Mark Kelso his safety, as well as James Washington right next to him. Mike Ditka will be the head coach of the Las Vegas Gamblers, with Mike Rozier at running back, Ricky Sanders and Desmond Howard at wide receiver, Keith Jackson at tight end, John Elliott and Jay Hilgenberg at offensive line. Tony Tolbert will be the defensive lineman, Ray Horton at safety, and Steve Christie at kicker. Bill Parcells will be the head coach of the Phoenix Scorpions, with Marion Butts at running back, Tim Brown at wide receiver, Nate Newton, the big man, at offensive line, Derek Thomas and Shane Conlon will play linebacker, Aeneas Williams and Martin Hugh will play cornerback, Leroy Butler at safety, and Morton Anderson at kicker. Bill Cowher will be the Dallas Rattlers head coach, with Bernie Kosar at quarterback, Rodney Hampton at running back, Chris Carter at wide receiver, Rodney Holman at tight end, Neil Smith at defensive end, Steve McDaniel and Jerry Ball at defensive line, Mark Murphy at cornerback, and Kevin Butler will be the kicker. Jimmy Johnson will be the head coach of the San Francisco Sharks, with the Magic Man Don Mikowski, the quarterback, Roger Craig, the really good running back from San Francisco, David Meggett at fullback, Gerald McNeil, punt returner and kick returning ace, Shannon the sharp-dressed man will be the tight end, Anthony Munoz and Don Mosbar will be the offensive linemen, Charles Haley on the defensive line, Daryl Talley at linebacker, and Gary Anderson at kicker. Buddy Ryan will be the head coach of the Seattle Storm. He's got Randall Cunningham, who was his quarterback, Lorenzo White at running back, Hayward Jeffries at wide receiver, Eric Green at tight end, Reggie White, who was his all-star defensive end, Michael Carter at defensive line, Seth Joyner followed him from Philadelphia as well as Arizona, and Tyrone Braxton at safety. Ted Marchibroda will be the Portland Snowhawks head coach. He will have Troy Aikman, the Hall of Fame quarterback, Eric Dickerson, the really great running back, Tony Mayberry and Bruce Armstrong at offensive line, Howie Long and Greg Townsend at defensive end, as well as Eugene Robinson at safety. Bobby Ross will be the Boise Colts head coach, with Chris Warren at running back, James Lofton and Webster Sargent Slaughter at wide receiver, Ben Winter Coates at tight end, Tom Newberry at offensive line, Ray Childress at defensive end, Mike Singletary and Carl Banks, along with Greg Lloyd, to round out the linebacker position. And finally, we have Joe Gibbs, who is the head coach of the Denver Buffaloes. He's got the Nigerian Nightmare, Christian Okoye, along with Eric Martin at wide receiver, Keith McKellar at tight end, Steve Wisniewski at the offensive line, Richard Webb at the offensive line as well, Wilbur Marshall, Michael Brooks, and the original Lawrence Taylor LT at linebacker. He's also got Darryl Green and Ray Crockett, King of the Buffaloes. Thank you all for viewing. Episodes will be released every 2 weeks or so, with some familiar voices from the first season of the BTFL. I hope you all have a nice day.